going, man. Okay, that was intentional. Yeah. I guess our first review,
the Angry Birds. The idea that we playing Angry Birds we became more fun. Hey, we need to do this. Let's see how can we describe this movie without really any spoilers and the trailer.
It's basically a movie about angry birds who are fighting against green pigs,
Taking the eggs.
which is the whole premise of the game. So
Basically,
it's the game.
it's a game. No storyline to it.
It's a very sad storyline, actually.
And then it got to OTE.
OCD, why do you say OCD?
This is the movie.
Oh, well, speed. Super speed and the division.
Yeah, that's a good storyline, and it did use the same stuff that you saw in the trailers.
The trailer in the movie, so yeah.
There's a lot of
would be in the movie.
more
More or less, unless it's a different scene, in which case it would be in the trailer on the DVD or Blu-ray, but anyway. Alright, so
this time it has puns.
Puns, why do you say puns?
There's a lot of jokes involving the pigs and the birds. It was a good movie, so about maybe a 3.5. Good, but
Why do you think 3.5?
I was just thinking,
The premise of the movie is based on a video game that's created for a cell phone. It doesn't have the most elaborate setup, does it? You can't really do like, oh, it's Shakespeare. Anyway, okay, fine. So 3.5 for 4 is 7. Half divided would be 3.25.
I'm sorry, all the kids that left it.
3.75 actually. So
Next one we recently just saw.
Ninja Turtle. Oh wait, no, we
didn't. I hadn't seen that. It's like seeing an anime movie, then seeing another talking anime movie, but this time more live action.
Sorry, that was my intention. I wanted to be yes, we did 7 arguments. We really did have a earlier the other day and decided to go see X-Men.
Yeah,
Apocalypse. You can't really say that any other way except X-Men. Apocalypse. Anyway.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, I like it. It was really good.
You can see how
I like how they're doing decade movies now. Instead of just doing like one continuous they're doing decades.
what the game is it? Oh, it's every year it's now. This one
was it?
No, the past the other one.
Well, that one they just said in the near future. Whatever that was.
He did makeup pretty good and apocalypse.
Now, I've no thoughts that he looked like a Power Ranger villain.
Okay, it's supposed to be a time piece, and it's supposed to be an Egyptian.
Yeah,
that style.
And it's supposed to take place in the 80s, which is very campy, so whatever.
Well,
we saw a bunch of X-Men and a bunch of X-Men characters, some of which get the smallest amount of cameo ever.
yes. Well, there's one, like, oh, don't disrespect. Really? You know this person, and yet you're not using this person? That one scene, and that one other scene. I tell you later, because the trailer.
Well, I mean, I'm watching it going, oh, let's really see that guy. No, wait, not that guy.
Oh, we saw that person, but yet you're not going to use that person.
Well, there are a ton of X-Men characters. I mean,
Yeah. Maybe honestly another brief cameo. Have another.
Well, that's an idea.
You get.
And it's all in the same universe. And people already know who it is because
Oh, maybe not. Depending on how.
who doesn't know? I mean,
Okay, this is okay. You know, crazy one, I don't know.
but they didn't expect it because he's been in every other action.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's almost like
Yeah.
getting seen him.
You didn't see him. He's the old guy holding the wife.
Well, that's a different deal. True though, but that's a different deal.
So yeah, so for 5 cents, so let's give you a clue to where Stanley is. Just find someone hugging someone.
Come on, it's hard not to see Stanley. They would make this one too hard.
Nope. Let's see.
He's only in an hour or two.
Only 3 movies he's not been in.
The other two he wasn't in. Only the other two extras movies.
Yeah.
But I guess maybe he was associated with the apocalypse storyline. I don't know.
Or maybe he had no time. Anyway, the good storyline and it does show
But the credit scene makes no sense. It's like she's a lot about
yeah. Which one
we had no idea what the title was.
Yeah, you gotta look it up and that's so it's all at towards the end.
Literally the last second of the film.
No, but as soon as you see those logos off,
Which would be the last second of the film. See, that's what I said.
We don't know. Maybe that's the credits.
Otherwise they would call it the credits. I think the last second of the film. I literally meant the last second of the film.
It's the credit. Anyway, you thought that it wasn't any. There wasn't anything at the end. It would tell you so you're not wasting your time and watch.
Although we were wasted on.
Yeah, we thought that's what we do when we see more movies in DC movies. There's always sometimes an ending that.
Did you realize you said always sometimes make any sense at all?
Okay, we always say no, and we always say it towards the end, because sometimes it's something at the end. And our fans do get pissed when nothing goes. Like, you gotta be kidding me, I waited 5, 10, or 15
Alright, fine, whatever. Can we just get a rating here?
I'll give it a good shot of 5.
Really? Yes. I think that's the best movie you've given.
I gave it a 5 once, but that was it.
I think this is the best movie you've given.
It's the same time I gave it a 5.
I like the comic book. I think he did a really good job making this. For most of the way, I like what they did. So I will give it a 5 as well. Do I think that the second movie is good? I hope, but I don't know. I hope even they said in the movie, sometimes the third one is the worst.
The third one should be the version of the third one.
Yes, it is.
But that's all we could say.